Welcome to the fourth lesson of our EDU Onyx series on learning Python. Today we will be discussing how to comment your code and the importance of comments in programming, as well as some good practices for commenting your code. A comment is simply a line of text within your Python code that is not read by the Python programming language. In Python, comments are denoted by the pound symbol. This is very useful within the realm of programming because it allows you to place explanations alongside your code. Now let's open up idle and write another basic Python program so we can see how commenting works in the Python programming language. Again, let's start off our program with another print statement, and then give it some text to print out. But then below it this time, let's add a pound symbol and type some words to explain what this line of code does. We can then save our Python program, and then hit the F5 key to run it. Although we have added another line to our Python program, because the comment is not read by the Python programming language, our program gives us the exact same output when run in Python as it would if the comment did not exist. While your comment doesn't make too much of a difference in this relatively small Python program, as you begin to write more and more complex programs with Python, comments will become invaluably important to your development process. As you learn Python and continue to write code that grows longer and more complex, it will become extremely important to you to learn the practice and technique of properly commenting your code. Commenting programs properly makes them easier to understand not only for your own sake, but also makes it possible to work on projects with other developers effectively by allowing you to communicate through the code. Commenting also allows you to quickly modify your code accurately. Comments allow you to see problems in your code and make adjustments accordingly when you're writing a large Python program. Here is an example of how comments can help you explain a complicated Python program. While this program deals with some programming techniques we haven't covered yet in this course, the comments in the program itself can help you understand what each individual line of programming does. This shows how comments can be useful when working with complicated Python programs. That covers the basics of commenting within the Python programming language. Be sure to comment your programs for organization and clarity so that they can be easier to read and work with in the future. In the next lesson, we'll work with variables and data types and how they can be used to handle information in your program.